You're losing trade after trade and thinking maybe the problem is you, but the real problem, you're trading without structure. Exactly how 90% of retail traders fail. I teach disciplined trading by turning randomness into rules. If you've ever felt like the market moves faster than you can think, stick around. This isn't hype, it's a method. So right now I want to show you the principles of my work, tell you what I started thinking about when I crossed the line of denial. Right now, I'm going to be taking steps to boost. An artificial intelligence robot named Fix Profit will help me with this. I will enter each trade on its signals. You will see my results on your screens. Okay, here we go. Euro and dollar. Time frame 1 minute. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is also 1 minute. So the recommendation from the neural network is active selling. 10 indicators are burning red, signaling a serious advantage in the hands of sellers in the next minute. Friends, before I start my story about the ups and downs, I want to share some great news with you. You can get my bot, which reads the market and gives detailed signal reports and quick recommendations for free and forever within a month. Link in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today. To not miss new, inspirational, and educational videos, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment. Your feedback is important to us. One more thing. Now I am preparing a great course on technical analysis for you. Only those traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. Folks, this is not financial advice. I show you how I do it. Here's the unglamorous truth. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. That means if you have a $100 account, you should risk only $1 to $2. With a $1,000 account, $1 to $20. Anything more and you're trading emotion, not logic. Risk control is the foundation of every sustainable strategy. In my early days, I chased every breakout, doubling or tripling risk because I felt confident. One series of trades erased 50% of my balance. That loss forced me to rebuild from scratch. With strict sizing, trade journaling, and eventually a system enforcing tool called a Fix Profit. The typical mistake. Most traders chase setups. They swipe radar signals, jump on price spikes, chase momentum. But without structure, those are just random guesses. Emotion-driven trades disguised as strategy. That's how accounts vaporize. So, I continued to capitalize on the strong bearish momentum. The bot showed me that the seller's potential is not yet exhausted. How to trade the right way. Never exceed 1 to 2% risk per trade. Wait for structure, trend, volume, price reaction. Confirm setups across 2 time frames, higher for bias, lower for entry. Only trade setups that align with your written rules. Log every trade. Logic, size, emotion, result. Review weekly. Learn more from losers than winners. My Signals Assistant doesn't remove you from the process. It supports you. It filters out noise. It only sends alerts when your system conditions are met. Structure measured, momentum aligned, risk defined. That turns discipline into practice. This week, the assistant flagged Euro USD with a clean rejection at resistance, volume confirmation, and 2-frame alignment. I risked $10 on a $1,000 account and exited with $8 profit. Not flashy, but systematic. That's how capital grows. Automated trading isn't the future, it's the present. Institutional and retail traders alike use automation and smart tools to spot trades way faster than manual scanning. If you aim to be competitive, you must evolve from reaction to anticipation. Tools like the assistant give you milliseconds that mean dollars. Stay manual now and you stay behind. You can grab lifetime access to the assistant, completely free for the next 30 days only. After that, entry becomes paid only. The free window closes, no relaunch. If you're serious about structure instead of guessing, act now. Links in the description. If this resonated, hit like. Subscribe for strategy over luck. Drop a comment. What's your toughest trading rule to enforce? How do you size trades or confirm entries? What tool or habit leveled up your consistency? Grab your assistant via the link before time runs out. You're not broken, you're just not structured yet. But structure is learnable. Discipline is trainable. Systems can be built. With the right tools and rules in place, you don't just trade, you execute. If you risk $1 on a $100 account, that nets cents per win. Risk $10 on a $1,000 account, that nets dollars. Same edge, better scale. Structure scales, not luck. Strip down your charts, focus only on zones and volume. Watch for reaction candles at key levels. Real conviction shows. Annotate and review your trades like tape. Know exactly what worked and what didn't. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. Also, I want to remind you again that our team helps with education for traders. To chat about education, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help all participants. So I finished the job. Friends, you have seen my results. You have seen how much the bot helps to act quickly and accurately. Pick it up for free at the link in the description and subscribe. See you soon.